Hello pals, welcome back to part 3 on our Parrot Pals vacation house. Right now we are going to be doing the bedrooms, and that is the last of the house. It is a massive house, so let's move on to my room. Here is my room. It's very, very pretty. I love the sheets on it. It's like all sun and fun, I guess. It has seashells. It even has my name on a card. Here's where Zippy is. Hi, Zippy. Hi, Poto. Hi, you want to come out? You want to come on? I want to show you guys how he gets into his house now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look, I put him here and then he'll go by himself. It's too cute. I have all his things right here. I have his extra ladders and his bathing and food, toys, things like that. I have some candy here. Lindor chocolates, gummy sharks, a poop, and Kinder. Here's my backpack. Look at the view outside. It's very pretty. There's the water over there. It's very nice. My dog was going to sleep in here, but he wouldn't want to fall asleep for some reason, so we put him in our dad's and mom's room. So here's the bathroom. It's nice. Look at the little shower curtain. A toilet, not much. My little backpack with toothbrushes, lotions, things like that. Moving on to my parents' room. Hola. Wow, no one cleans their bed. That's okay. I love the little sayings on the pillows. Wipe your flip-flops. A mirror. I'm not going to go to the mirror because then you're going to see my face. Look at this. This is where my brother's, my grandma's, and my uncle's room is. Bunk beds. Oops. Yeah. I sleep on the top one usually. Ooh. He moved the stairs from here to here. Top bunk. Baby crib. We don't have a baby, but they added perfectly. It. Yeah, my brother fits in here perfectly. Here is the window outside of my brother's room. See right here. So nice. These flowers are so pretty too. I love it. Look at how beautiful it is. How's it going down there? Smadno. My dad caught a fish. If you want to see how he caught the fish and what it looked like, go check out my alt account. It's called Parrot Pals Mini. I post short clips of videos there. It's very nice. You catch a fish? Hi, Chachi. Hi, buddy. How's it going? I actually stubbed my toe. It hurts. It's purple. It hurts a lot. It's a shrimp. I found a shrimp. All right, Parrot Pals, I will be posting some other short clips on my Parrot Pals mini channel. Make sure to hop on over there to watch those videos. It's gonna be super duper fun. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.